So we're just gonna ignore the state of my desk right now. But basically I wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna be changing this weekend. It's Friday now, and this weekend I'm planning on fixing up my desk. Some of you guys might know, I think I've talked about it in past YouTube videos, but this desktop, I got it secondhand. It was a dining table, and it was free. It was literally on the side of the road basically. And I picked it up because it was a nice solid wood piece that I could use for my desk. So I've been using it for quite a while. I've cut off this like curved lip. You can see it's like kind of curved, but yeah, oh my gosh, you can see how scuffed it is. Like it's really beat up. But I cut off this curved lip on the back side of my desk, so it's flat here now. My dad helped me with that, so I'm planning on doing that on this side as well, so that I can lose this like dated curve. Then I'm going to be sanding the whole thing and painting it white. And I have to get this all done this weekend, otherwise I won't be able to use it next week. So it's going to be a pretty big job. I'm a little nervous about making sure that it gets done by the end of the weekend, but I think I can do it. I ordered the paint the other day and I can pick it up today, which is great. And it's actually going to be a really nice weekend, which is perfect because I need to do a lot of this outside and it has been snowing. So I'm glad that it's nice out this weekend. I'm definitely going to take you guys along with me while I do that. Hopefully you guys will enjoy that content. But yeah, I'm not going to do that just yet. I think I'm going to pack up some orders now and then go for a hike. And then when I come back, it'll be time to stream. We're back in the studio. It's Saturday. I just spent the morning finishing editing a video and I just am uploading that now. It's gonna go up on Sunday, which I'm trying to make my studio vlog day. It hasn't really been working, but I'm trying. So now I'm gonna clear off my desk, get everything off of it because I need to start sanding and cutting the edge off and doing all the stuff that I need to get done, because if I don't get it done and painted by the end of this weekend, I won't have a desk next week. So that's an issue. So let's go. I figured I would just be honest and show you guys the abomination that is my desk at this moment, and then I'll show you guys when it's all clean. I also have my monitors mounted to this like little holder thingy, so I'm gonna have to take that off. It's gonna be a big job to get everything off this desk. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating, but it's done. Everything's off. It's just an utter, complete disaster in here now. There's just all my stuff is everywhere else, but we did it. Also, we're not gonna talk about this disaster under here. I'm dreading reconnecting all of those, but that's a later problem. For now, I just need to get this thing downstairs and outside so I can start sanding it. Let's do it. But first I need breakfast. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so I have my table outside. It's a little chilly out here, but it's not too bad. It's actually kind of sunny out. I ended up deciding to not cut the edge of the table off because this is not solid wood. It's like a composite wood, and my dad decided that it would probably be not sturdy enough if we took off the support of this side of the table. So we're not going to cut the curved edge off, which is kind of a bummer because I wanted a flat edge for my desk. I just feel like it's a little bit less dated. So since we're painting it and we won't see all the scuffed marks on this side, I'm going to make this the front of my desk with the flat edge. So yeah, it's time to sand. Let's go. Oh my gosh. This thing makes my wrist feel so wiggly. Ugh. But I'm grateful to have it because if I had to sand this by hand, oh my gosh, I would want to cry. Let's keep going. Alright, the whole thing is sanded. Just a little update. This side paneling fell off, so I'm gonna have to glue that on. Also, I'm not really happy with how the edges are looking. This is the one flat edge, but I don't like how it has like those little like nubbies. I just think it's ugly. So I don't really want to use that side as the front. And I still just really don't like how this is curved, so I tried to sand it down. And after like 45 minutes of sanding it, it's still humped. So I'm forcing my dad to help me cut it properly. We're gonna cut just a teeny little bit off so that it will still be structurally sound, but then it'll be flat. So we're gonna cut it. All right, let's go. Alright, so this is what the edge is looking like now that it's been all cut. I think it looks so much better. I like it a lot more. I'm so happy that I decided to do that. And now you can still see it's kind of a little shiny. I think it looks even shinier on camera. But I did take off like the first coat of like the varnishy stuff on the table. So I'm hoping that the paint will stick well. And now I have this stuff. And I'm gonna fill some of the like scratches and scuffs. Not all of them obviously, because like it's basically just one big massive scratch. But I'm gonna try and fill some of the imperfections. Let's go. Frame. I've been sitting like a gremlin doing this for so long. I've only eaten breakfast today and it's literally like 6 p.m. now, so I'm gonna go freaking eat so much food. But I need to wait 2 hours for this to cure, and that's why I wanted to get it on so bad, was because I knew I would need to wait 2 hours before I can sand it again and then add more paint. So I'm just gonna let this cure and then I'll be back in 2 hours. I'll see you guys in a little. Hello everyone, we are back. It is the next day. It's Sunday now and I am all ready to paint. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll show you guys the paint that I have. I have this Trem Clad, it's multi-purpose flat white paint, which I think will do really good. I just want a nice bright white desk. I think that's a vibe. So that's what we're gonna do today. I just sanded it up a bit more. My mom helped me because she didn't think that my sanding job was good enough, so thanks, Mom. And now I need to wipe down all the excess dust on the table, and then we start with our first coat of paint. So let's freaking go. Also, it's so sunny and beautiful out, and I'm really happy about that because it's been so snowy and dark lately. The sun is making me happy. Here's the paint again up close. This is what it looks like. And yeah, let's open it up. right, first coat is basically done. I just have to do this edge yet. But oh my gosh, I love painting outside. But look at this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are there more? 6. 6 little bugs have tried to unlive themselves on my desk. Like, how do you prevent this when you paint outside? I swear, bugs always fly into my painting. So there you have it. This is the final result. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It looks really bright and really clean, and yeah, it was a lot of work to be honest. And in hindsight, I probably could have thrifted or like Facebook marketplaced a tabletop if I was a little bit more patient and kind of went on the hunt for something nicer that I didn't have to put so much labor into. But at the end of the day, I'm really happy with it, and I really enjoy doing DIY projects like this. I really enjoy them, and I've actually already planned 2 more for the future. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know if you did. Let me know if you like this kind of stuff, because then I'll definitely do more of it because it makes me really happy. Anyways, I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.